Good afternoon and good morning, everyone. This is Robby Gulri with RapidScale, and I'm here with Chad Muckenfuss. Chad, good morning.
Good morning, Robby. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. How's Vegas treating you?
Great this time around.
Well, I am really excited to do this video with you. You and I have been talking about it for a while.
Yeah?
First of all, I just want to congratulate you.
Thank you.
For earning Top Engineer, Top Architect of 2024. How does that feel?
It feels great. Really appreciative and thankful for the award from RapidScale. Love working with you guys and the whole team over there, and love the traction that Telarus has gotten with you over the past several years too.
I want to know your secret. What's been the recipe of success for you over the last, ever since I've known you, you've been very good at just articulating the value of Telarus and the ecosystem, but I want to hear from you kind of what you do so well.
Well, I think it's just this. It's the relationships that have been built over my 20 plus years in the channel of people like yourself, and it just continues to help each other. Those relationships really work together as people move from job to job within the channel. It's helped me really kind of gather a group of people that are a support system, and I'm a part of that for them too. And it's really just helping each other, and when there's layoffs, you jump in and try and help them find a new role. And again, it's just working together to find a common goal of success, whatever that means for each individual. And that's been my success as well.
That's amazing. So you said 20 years, that's incredible. I've only been in the channel a couple of years, so I'm learning from folks like you every day.
Yeah.
Obviously, over the last 20 years, conversations that TAs have with customers and the customers' expectations have changed. Mm-hmm. Can you elaborate on that a little bit?
I think customers are significantly more educated now, coming to the table, especially around technology and security and cloud specifically. COVID kind of propelled that as a necessity to the top of their list in a lot of organizations, both small business and enterprise. And we're seeing positives and negatives come out of that. There's been some significant changes on how companies handle cloud and security. And I think you all at RapidScale have a great group of engineering backed by a good support team of salespeople that really understand that and can come alongside companies and help them through that journey.
I appreciate that. So what would you tell, obviously I've met over the last couple of years in my experience in the channel, a lot of really successful technology advisors. However, traditionally, they've sort of started in the telco connectivity side of the house, maybe UCaaS, CCaaS. What would you tell, entrants into this ecosystem that are kind of new into this world? Like what recommendations would you provide for them?
The recommendations are ask a lot of questions and rely on the experts. Myself and my team at Telarus on the solutions engineering team are here to help people through that process, help new TAs on board and understand the technologies that are out there and how to leverage those intro conversations with their customers that are out there.
So that's amazing. So speaking of technology, the last year, 2 years, a lot of hype, or is it reality around AI? Where do you think we are in the world of AI and where we're going?
I think it's moving a lot faster than anyone realizes from a technology development standpoint, but I think trying to leverage that as a actual product set is a lot slower. So I think, again, leveraging companies like RapidScale that have people that are really, really deep into the AI side of the technology and understanding what the use cases are specifically for AI in business at any level, small business through enterprise, and how that can be implemented. The key also is governance on the data side of things, and again, that's a whole separate conversation, but that's becoming more and more of a talk track and an understanding from business owners.
So a couple of weeks ago, I saw you in Dallas.
Yes.
We had some tacos, if you remember.
Yes,
I think you paid for them too. That's besides the point. But there, we spent a lot of time with TAs talking about AI and educating them on AI. Did you feel like in that room, especially in Dallas, given that this is the third time we've done a Telarus AI Summit, the kind of the evolution, the knowledge, and the experience of these TAs around talking about AI has evolved?
It has. Everybody wants to talk about AI. The interesting part of that, though, is the fact that they don't know really where to start the conversation other than, hey, let's talk about AI. So giving them a little bit of a background and purpose on what's going on and what's happening and how that can really start that conversation from a business level is key, I think, in helping them begin that conversation with their customers.
Yeah. So recently I did a talk on AI, and I talked about to the TA community, and I actually want to get your opinion on this. And I said, well, AI forces you to immerse yourself in the business.
Yes.
Right, as a TA. Unlike any other technology that we've ever been sort of asked to sell or enable inside of our customer base. Would you agree or disagree with that?
I would wholeheartedly agree. I think that's a great way to look at AI because it touches all aspects. It touches everything from the telecom side all the way through to inter-office communications internally and externally. What are you presenting? What are you trying to leverage from a business owner or a C-level executive from your organization, and how can AI be a tool to help achieve those goals?
That's amazing. Chad, you and I can sit here for hours and talk. Obviously,
yes,
we don't have that kind of time, but maybe some last words of wisdom to obviously other engineers who want to get the award that you just earned.
Right.
Number one. Number two is, again, TAs that are looking to evolve and just continue to get better and faster over time.
Yeah, I think from an engineering standpoint, again, it's really just picking a lane and kind of focusing on that. You can't be everything to everyone. And I think a lot of engineers, not by their own choice, but get put into a situation where they have to be that role of everything. You have to find what your passion is as an engineer and focus on that. And I think, coming alongside of the RapidScale team and realizing that we had similar trajectories, I think it was key for me. So that would be my encouragement from the engineering perspective. From a TA perspective, my biggest recommendation is don't shy away from that AI conversation. Have that conversation and leverage the people in the industry that can come alongside of you as the experts and help you through that whole process.
Well, you guys out in the audience heard it here first. Do not shy away from AI conversations because that forces you to sort of immerse yourself in the business, and you can't have a conversation about AI without talking about cloud and security. And with that, Chad, I really want to thank you for your time this morning.
Thank you, Robby.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.